So my lovelies, are you ready to make delicious chocolate covered strawberries? Here I have 14 strawberries, white chocolate for melting, dark chocolate for melting, Valentine sprinkles, red and white glitter, pastel pink food coloring, a knife, scissors, pastry bags, and if you don't have pastry bags, I will show you how to make a rider to decorate your strawberries, microwavable cups for melting, toothpicks, napkins to pat dry your strawberries. You don't want your strawberries to be wet. It's best to have them as dry as possible, that you can get the chocolate stick to hit just perfectly. And wax paper. So now let's get started. Now let's set the strawberries aside for washing. I will now break the chocolate and add them to microwavable containers. Set this aside. Dark chocolate, now if you don't have the pastry bag, use a second piece of wax paper, fold it like this, and use a knife and cut through just like this. Fold this end in like this. That's 1, 2, 3, and like this. So let's set this aside also. So now let's take the strawberries for a wash. Now let's wash the strawberries. So here is the strawberries, and also I have another tray, so I will line with napkins that the strawberries can dry some more. So pat dry. So this is how you're going to hold your strawberry, and if it's your first time, you can insert a toothpick like this And here you have it. You don't have to go around buying expensive chocolate covered strawberries. Just do it yourself. So now that the strawberries are drying some more, I will go ahead and microwave the chocolates. I will microwave for 30 seconds. The chocolates are now ready. I will add some to the bag for piping. And here is the wax paper, guys. So I will add to this one chocolate. Now let's dip. Let's try the white chocolate. Add sprinkles. Some red glitter. I will now add some pink coloring to the white. Some white glitter. I will now refrigerate for 5 to 10 minutes. So here, my lovelies, the strawberries are ready. Now we can remove the toothpicks from the chocolate covered strawberries and enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.